check it out. Got this setup, little Margie going. Just rips, man. She rips. Sun's out, baby. Woo! Rain's over there, sun's over here. We've been chasing the sun.
Oh, you have it?
Yeah.
Let the dogs breathe a bit. Definitely 40, right?
Beautiful. All right, guys, we're ripping. It's a little wet, but we brought our rain stuff. Dawson's driving back there. The seats are such a good purchase. These are the best thing I got on here. We got the rod holder, which is nice just to have it out of the way. But the seats are so nice. It's a game changer. So you guys can see we're soaked. We're just heading back. Such a good time, you guys. Actually, it looks like the rain's slowing down a bit, but we're freaking, like my crotch is just, oh no, just full. There you go. Get that off. No! 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 Not the sand, pal. Dude, we're going under right now in the sand. It's just pure juice on here. Wait, we're almost out of the water though. Just freaking, I gotta hose it off when I get home. Dude, we're ripping though. The Johnson's freaking ripping, man. The Johnson's mint, guys. Fires up every time. I got the choke in. I tuned it a bit. It's running mint. We got a good setup here. Look at this, just feet up. Doesn't get better, guys. Sand Pel. I spilled the entire thing. There's a few sips left. Make the most of that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Like, what is this setup, bro? We're buzzing.